32 millimeters socket. Take it out carefully. I'm doing it for the first time, so I need to be really careful. I think I better put something here. Okay. I think it is kind of success. I decided to put the wipe here just to, you know, make sure that nothing goes inside like dust or something like this. There are 3 seals, one, the small, middle one here, and so small, middle, and big one here. Those are old, so, and they are like plastic now, and this one is even, you know, kind of broken. I'm using this filter, and here I have all the seals and even drain plug seal, which is great. I will put old oil to those seals to make sure that they get installed smoothly. This is the old filter, by the way. I'm not sure about the brand. Can I see something here? Nope. Interesting. And also there is this thing, it seems like it's part of the filter. So it's kind of seal. So it was here, it was installed like this. I'm not sure why it's separate. So new seals here, here and here installed, and the new filter installed. Push it until it, you know, clicks, and basically that's it. First start after the oil change. So this is the pump. This is China pump. You can try to see some, you know, you can try to see the brand, but better to buy something else. I think this is the cheapest possible, you know, pump. It really costs pretty much nothing. So you connect it to the battery. This is the out, you know, this is the hose which connects to the out, as you can see here, and this is the input hose here. So diameter is 6 millimeters here. A couple of things: do not drain the oil when the engine is warm. Better to wait until it's cold, completely cold, like, you know, 20 degrees, something like that, because I'm not sure that this material, you know, is okay. And if it, you know, gets somehow soft, right, you will have big problems, because you will need to kind of, you know, extract it from the engine, and it could be tricky and time consuming, of course. Another thing, compare it with the Dipstick, just because if you put it too much, you know, it kind of goes like this, right, and it doesn't get the oil. So when I put that hose here, it goes pretty well, but at some point, you know, I put it too much inside and it kind of got stuck there, you know. I was, you know, kind of afraid a bit that time, but I moved it, you know, spin it like this, and everything was okay after that. So be careful here, and if it sticks there, do not actually, you know, pull it a lot, you know, just feel it, you know, spin it, and you will be able to get it out. And after that, inspect the hose, you know, if it's not damaged, if everything is okay. Likely everything is okay. So in my case, seems like everything is okay, and it's great. So I was able to drain 5 liters and 2 liters, and as you can see, oil looks like, you know, not so good, kind of. So I was able to drain 7 liters. Keep in mind that yes, it is, you know, kind of dipstick extractor, and you won't be able to drain all the sludge from the engine, you know. And you don't need jack stands or something like that, which is, you know, the most important thing, because you can change the oil pretty much everywhere, even in the middle, you know, of the forest. So thank you for watching, guys. I find this approach at least interesting. Thank you.